write it up and still give us the solution. We said if this is substitution, we call it substitution of that equation, substitution into formulas. Now, if the question says if A is equal to 2 and X is equal to minus 3, and then B is equal to minus 2 and C is equal to 4, C is equal to 4, and we now have M is equal to minus 1. If all these are the value of these variables, the question now says then evaluate, then evaluate, then evaluate these. What is the question? The question is evaluate AS squared plus BC plus C over MX, then plus C. In fact, this is a wire question. A wire question that we are bringing up for you. Most of the questions will work for you. Many of them are wire questions. We pick wire questions to solve because we know that is the highest authority as regard educational evaluation body in Nigeria. We have NECO, which is solely for Nigeria examination body, but we believe that WAEC is West Africa. They still have that kind of potent power than that of NECO. So most times we come with NECO question, most times we come with WAEC or JAM question. So we give you questions that are standard questions. So like this question is WAEC question. So let's look at how we go by it. Now the next one, what's the value of A? That is 2. Then the value of X is minus 3. Don't forget that is to be squared. Then plus, what is B? B is minus 2. Then into C. What is our C? That's 4 plus 4. Then we now say plus 4, which is C again. All over what is M? M is minus 1. Then we have X. X is minus 3. We put it, X is minus 3 plus 4. So we are going to evaluate this. What the first thing is, find the index, the power first. So minus 3 squared will give us 9. Why? Minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9. So what do we have? We have 2 into 9 plus minus 2 times 4 will give us minus 8 plus 4 again. All over minus 1 times minus 3 will give us plus 3. So we have 3 plus 4. So since we have the next step is 2 times 9 will give us 18. Plus times minus 8 will give us minus 8. Then plus 4. All over what? Over 7. Then let me say this. All over 7. Rearrange this thing in such a way that plus to plus, then minus behind, because many people do make such a mistake. They won't be able to add it together correctly. So rather, write it this way. 18 plus 4. 18 is plus, 4 is plus, then minus 8. So that you can do it easily in such a way that you will understand it. All over 7. So 4 plus 18 will give us 22. So from here we have 22 minus 8. Then we have what? Over 7. So what do we have in this? By the time you take 8 from 22, that will give us 14. 14 over 7. 7 here, 1. 7 here, 2. 2 over 1 is 2. So the final answer is 2. Thank you. That's for that. Then we go to number 9 question. This question is number 8. Then number 9. I will write that number 9 here. Number 9 question here. Number 9 says, make Q subject. Make Q subject of the relation. Make Q subject of the relation. So what do we have? We have T is equal to square root of PQ minus R square Q all over R. the square covers both denominator and the numerator. It covers the two. So the next thing is you will now say square both sides. Square both sides in order to remove this square root so that we can solve it easily. Then we have t squared is equal to square root of pq minus r square cube all over r all to the power of square. So one thing is this square we cancel square root. Do you agree with me? Because for instance, if I am adding 4 square root of 4 into square, what will happen? If I find the square root of 4, it will give me 2. If I square my 2, it will later give me what? 4. Do you understand? Why not using square to cancel root so that you can have your 4 directly? So you can see. So what this one can cancel this, we will have what we have within. So that will be t squared is equal to pq minus r squared cube all over r. Since this is what we have, then put this one over 1. I told you, make both sides fraction so that it will be very easy for you to calculate by cross multiply. So we will cross multiply. So we have t square r is equal to 1 times this will give us 1 into pq minus r square cube. Get it? Now, do we have anything common to this? Don't forget that what we are taking as subject of the formula is cube. So we need to bring it out. So that means we have t squared r is equal to, what's the common thing? Cube. We bring the cube out. That means we have left q times 1 means cube or 1 cube, but we don't write 1 cube. We rather write cube. So q, what remains there? It remains p minus what remains there? R squared. This is what we have left. So because of this, what we are looking for is q. Q, what to make q subject of the formula. Q is standing in the position of the unknown. So we see what is disturbing our unknown q. That is p minus r squared. So in view of this, the next thing we are going to do is this. We will just say, then you make q. It's better we bring this on to this side and this on to the other side so that you can have q is equal to this over this. So what we have is t squared r over, what do we have? Over what is disturbing, that is p minus r squared is equal to q into p minus r squared over p minus r squared. So from what we have there, we can now easily say this one cancelling this. So we have q. Q now is equal to t squared r over p minus r squared. So this will be our final answer. Since we don't have q in the equation on the other side again, then q as equal to this, and that remains our final answer. Thank you for the class today. We are done with linear equation. The next class that will surface again, we have about 4 videos. Number 1 to 3 is a video. 1 to 3, yes. 4 and 5 is another video. 6 and 7 is another video making 3. Then 8 and 9 is the last video, making 4 videos you'll be expecting over linear equation. And after this, we will now be talking about the normal, that is quadratic equation. So thank you. By next class, we'll be seen again. But please permit me to give you a clear view of the question so that you can see it very clear. Let me give you the clear view of the question. Can you see the question now? That's question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. That's 6. This is 7. That is the clear question to 7. Then I want to show you 8 and 9. I told you we have it below. So this is question 8 and question 9. in case you want to get the question more clearer than the way I've been saying it or the way I've been writing it. Thank you. God bless you. We'll meet in the next class.